Hello everyone, I would like to elaborate on this question. As you can see here, this graph shows the laser exposure in the resin, and basically this line represents the top surface in the resin, and in the z direction, it measures the depth in the resin. So any points in this region, means there is a cure happened in when the laser scans. So how about any points outside this region? That means they will not be cured. Then the question is, what does the point right on the curve means? Actually, it gives you the critical exposure level energy. Means any points on this curve, it has a laser exposure EC. Because this is the kind of the minimum and the critical exposure level need to initiate the curing. Any laser exposure less than that will not cure the resin. So which represents exact the outer the area outside of this region, and therefore any points on this curve gives you this critical exposure level. And if you know what is the uh, critical exposure number EC, and also know either the Y or Z at certain point on the curve, you can compute either the width or the depth for of this point, right? This is related to the homework 3, some of the questions. Okay.